Tuning forks vibrate at a set frequency after being struck on the heel of the hand, and are used for several reasons, including healing with sound. Many products are available to choose from tuning forks for healing, each with several characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a knowledgeable decision. I researched comprehensively, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tuning forks for healing from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best tuning forks for healing. Number 1. Body weighted tuning forks medical for healing chakra set. Whether it's for musical or health use, our tuning fork medical are great multifunctional tools that you can maximize for a wide range of uses. Each one produces a certain frequency for different specific purposes. Ideal for subtle energy work, tracing meridian lines, balancing energy centers, drawing Reiki symbols, clearing crystals, cleaning living space, aligning your 7 body chakras, DNA repair healing, sound healing, and playing with pets. Our tuning fork medical is made of durable material with a compact and ergonomic design that you can use anytime and anywhere. Slip it in your bag or storage pouch and carry it with you wherever you go. 1 mallet and 3 tuning forks medical with the most important frequencies, and are commonly used for healing and 128 Hz, 256 Hz, 512 Hz. Number 2. Solfeggio tuning fork set from Omnivos. Omnivos is another trusted and reliable manufacturer of tuning forks for healing purposes. This set is tuned to the Solfeggio frequencies, and is the best omnivore tuning fork for healing. These forks can be used for tuning the body as well as the close environment. Tuning the energy of the space can create optimum surroundings for healing on a deeper energetic level. Made of professional-grade aluminum, these forks are approximately 26% harder, and ring for up to 20% longer than other manufacturers of tuning forks. You can be sure this set of forks will last and continue to provide clear sounds for many years to come. Number 3. Tuning fork 136.1 Hz weighted. Although this set only includes 1 tuning fork, it is of extremely high caliber, and possesses many qualities for ultimate healing and relaxation. The fork comes with a bead on its end, making it perfect for using the tuning fork on your skin. The bead warms the skin temperature to enable your body to receive the vibration easily. Exceptionally well made, this fork can boost relaxation, improve mental and physical performance, and enhance the effects of any alternative treatments you are receiving or giving. It works perfectly in conjunction with meditation, acupuncture, and massage therapy. Number 4. Body tuning forks for healing chakra set. Tuning fork set includes 4 PCS tuning fork, 128 Hz, 136.1 Hz, 528 Hz and 4096 Hz wood hammers, a rubber mallet, a cleaning cloth, a repair tool, and an exquisite aluminum gift box that will help you protect and carry the tuning fork set. Tuning forks are made of high-quality aluminum alloy material that meets the toughest requirements of precision and accuracy. Compared with the steel tuning forks on the market, it is more delicate in workmanship, light in weight, and durable in the corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy structure. 4 PCS tuning fork set are ideal for medical healing. 528 Hz is the frequency of love that is ideal for DNA repair, balancing energy centers, enhancing attention, purifying the mind and body, and also very suitable for sound healing and playing with pets. Number 5. Radical A Chakra and Soul weighted healing forks. Radical is a trusted manufacturer and supplier of tuning forks, and this chakra balancing collection is one of their best sets of tuning forks for healing. The set includes 7 forks, 1 for each chakra. They are tuned to relate to the energetic body, rather than the physical body. The weighted balls mean that the forks can be tapped and placed on the part of the body related to the specific chakra you are trying to balance. The chakras are part of an energetic system from the Vedic tradition. Each chakra relates to a different part of our body, and if unbalanced or blocked, has different effects on our mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. If you need any more valuable information or if you want to know product's original price, do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime further. Stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.